Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change profile picture on Indeed. For that, make sure you get the application, or you can search for www.indeed.com in your preferred web browser. For this video, I am using web browser. Now make sure you are logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top right there, you can see three-line icon. Tap on it. Before changing a profile picture, remember that you cannot upload your own picture on Indeed application. Profile picture in Indeed is the initial letters of first and last name. Now in order to change your profile picture, you need to change your name. Now you will be led to this kind of page, and there you can see profile. Tap on it. Now there you can see build an Indeed resume. Tap on it. Now enter your first name and last name. Now tap on continue. Now you can see that your profile picture has been changed, which is just the initial letter of your first and your last name. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.